Close up gaming.
Payback bitch.
Yes.
Payback.
Triple
Payback,
kill.
bitch.
Squad eliminated. Yeah, man. I kinda pwn at this game. I don't know why, but I do. I get the kills. I get the 13-2 up in this bitch, yo. Haha, 14-2. Oh! Now the bullets flying around me make the suppressive noise I do not like. I want to get home. What the hell you doing up there, boy? What the hell? What the hell, boy? Yes, that's more like it. You do not like when you are there. Hey! Get back here! Get back here, bitch! You died, yes. No more ammo. I need more the ammo. Friends, I want the friends to help me get the ammo. Ammo, please. Do you have ammo? No. Hello. Hi. What's up? 3 rounds left. I'm gonna make the most of it. Hey, you there? Oh, fuck! Somebody give me some fucking ammo.
Shit! Ah, fuck! I need a medic.
No, I need ammo. Fuck, not medic.
I need new rounds.
I need
now.
new rounds.
Requesting some fucking ammo,
Hey,
man.
hey, don't run from me.
I need some rounds. I'm out of ammo.
I need some rounds. Hello, I need some rounds. Thank you. Ah. I need some shit. I need some rounds. Hey. Barababa. Hello?
Hey.
Hello. Yes, be silent. I am making the movie for them people to enjoy. Okay, good.
Oh, gött fick
17-2. I have
precis.
stats of 17-2.
Jävlar, ska fienden inte få göra någonting.
Oops.
Nej, han tog med min helikopter.
That's more like it.
Jävla 19-9. Vad fan bra det var.
Hello.
Hey.
Hello. Yes, hello.
Hey.
Yes, hello.
Hey.
I was talking to my friend that I killed.
Ja, förlåt.
Oh! Whoa! No, I die! No, I die! No!
I am fucking awesome.
I need more ammo. Okay. Hello there.
Hey.
Men tyst med dig. Oh, nej! Nej! I was on such a kill streak. No. Okay. Aw. Suck my face, ass.
Så grym.
puff, 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 put, 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 put. Oj, 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 oj.
Dirty old time. Alltså, herregud.
Läget is. Kul assist. Wanna taste the rocket, bitch? Taste the rocket!
Söt.
Hello. Dead. LOL. Kill. Die, fags. Yeah.
Fags must die. Fredrik spelade Orcs must die. Han blev jätteimponerad.
Cockface. I kinda died again, yes. Blickar. My team won, because they had me on their team.